Today we're taking a look at the Gigabyte RTX 4060 8GB graphics card. I'll be running it through the 3DMark TimeSpy benchmark. The RTX 4060 8GB card is a mid-range GPU from 2023. This card features the AD107 core design with 3072 CUDA cores, 96 TMUs, and 48 ROPs. This version of the RTX 4060 is equipped with 8GB of GDDR6 17GB per second memory with a 128 memory bit bus, leading to an overall memory bandwidth of about 272GB per second. As for ray tracing, this card does have 24 RT cores, but generally speaking, you're not really going to be able to make use of those in most games. 24 RT cores is just too underpowered for most modern titles. This GPU does, however, support DLSS 3 and frame generation, which is super useful for many games. This GPU is a solid 1080p card, and there's definitely some games here and there that you can get away with 1440p at medium or high settings running native resolution. With DLSS 2 and 3 and frame gen here and there, you should be able to run quite a few games in 1440p high or medium with upscaling. And as for the system that I'm testing this GPU in, I'm running a Ryzen 7 7700X with 32GB of DDR5 G-Skill memory. In terms of the 3DMark performance, I measured an average overall system score of 11,162 points and an average CPU score of 14,005 points. As for the RTX 4060, this averaged about 10,772 points across all three of my benchmark runs. Budget gaming card, especially if you can catch it on a deal. This card should have no problem with 1080p in pretty much all titles, some games allowing for 1440p, and if you don't mind upscaling, you can turn on DLSS and potentially get 1440p high or even 4K in a couple of games.